Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a quick reminder that there's an Elementor affiliate link in the description for you. If you were already thinking of grabbing Elementor, using that link would mean a lot. Start by opening your browser and logging into the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand side menu, click on Elementor and then select Custom Fonts from the sub-menu. This will open the Custom Fonts page, where you'll see an option to Add New Font. Click on that. On the next screen, enter a name for your new font. You'll now see two font type options: Add Static Font and Add Variable Font. Click on Add Variable Font. You'll be presented with a blank box, a field to upload a .ttf file, and an Upload button. Now, open a new browser tab and head over to fontspace.com. This site offers a wide variety of fonts, many of which are free for personal use. Pick any font you like and download it to your device. Once downloaded, return to your WordPress admin panel. Back on the font upload screen, enter the font name again. Let's say you downloaded a font called Tomatoes. You can name your new font the same. Click on Upload, and then hit Select Files to browse and upload the .ttf font file you just downloaded. When the upload is complete, click on Publish. You'll now see a live preview of your new font right on the screen, confirming the successful upload. To apply the font to your pages, head over to Pages in the menu panel. Open any page you like, for example, Example Page, and click on Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor opens, select a text element, such as a heading. In the left-hand panel, go to the Style tab and then click on Typography. Next to Typography, hit the Edit icon, and under the Family section, you'll find a drop-down menu. From here, select the font you just uploaded, like Tomatoes. The font will instantly update on your page. You can repeat this for other text containers to apply the same font throughout your site. That's how simple it is to upload and apply custom fonts in Elementor. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.